having a sitting down here, everybody. Awesomeness, awesomeness. Everybody sitting down with me. I'm the queen of the swans. Look at this. Yeah, I guess we're friends. And we've gotten so comfortable that everyone is taking it so easy. Time to... Hello, you are so near me. Time to pluck the feathers. And here, someone is yawning. And yeah, Mount Fuji is here, but who cares about it? Like, seriously. When you have such company sitting down here with me, who cares about Mount Fuji anymore? Oh, so everybody woke up. So it's time for the second feeding. I suppose now maybe soon we can start to use my actual swan food that I bought. Just the problem is that it's hardly visible, the swan food here where we are. Oh my goodness. Yeah, happy. So we are back at a nice angle. Yeah, you can see Mount Fuji now in the background. Guys, don't fight. Yo, very mission accomplished. Guys, there's enough for everybody. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful. You can see in the distance the fake plastic boats, fake swan plastic boats. And then the entire flock is here with me. They are mine. And Mount Fuji is summer here. Who cares? I was leaving. They again surround me. But okay guys, I really have to photograph some sakura. Okay, this is just video proof that they are again ganging up here around me. But I have to go guys, seriously. So I thank you so much for the company. And see you. Oh my goodness, what was that? I think Mount Fuji is exploding, that's why we can see it.